Well, so many people have had to say goodbye to the people they love because of COVID-19. And for the Babcock family, losing Isaiah meant losing a dad, a husband, and a leader in the community. So with the help of Tom Kidd and the team at Structured Foundation Repairs, here's what we did.
Y'all, this is Joy Babcock.
Hi, Joy.
Hi.
I know this is a lot. This is a group of people, but don't be overwhelmed. These are people who love you very much. My name is Bonnie Curry. I'm with 94.9 KLTY. And the sweet man standing next to you let us know about what your family has been going through and what Isaiah has meant to the community. And so knowing that, Tom Kidd wanted to do something special for you and the family to let you know you're not alone, that you are loved, and that there's a lot of people praying for you and doing what they can to just lift you up. So, Tom, would you share how this came about?
You don't know me, but I knew Isaiah. You know, Greg was doing some work for us, and of course we had the pleasure of working with your husband. And we knew that he was, when he got diagnosed with COVID, that it was going to be a struggle. And literally talked to Greg every day. And we lost his struggle.
So,
Sorry about that.
it's okay. Never apologize for caring a lot about somebody else. So, let's show Joy what we're going to do.
Thank you. What a blessing. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So, on behalf of Tom Kidd, the team at Structured Foundation Repairs that continues to help us have moments like this, Joy, to you and your family, we say, God bless and speak love. Speak love.
Special thanks to Structured Foundation Repairs, Crannell, and Martin Engineering, and Hole in One Plumbing.